Okay, so it's recovery day. Now, this doesn't mean that you're going to sit on your arse all day, okay? We want active recovery. You can go on a bike ride, you can go on a hike, you can go rock climbing. Let's be active here. Think about why we are doing fitness. Why are we interested in getting ourselves in shape? We want the best out of our lives, for ourselves and for our families, yeah? So why not take yourself out on a little adventure? It doesn't necessarily have to be something sporty, but try something active. This is my challenge for you today, okay? For those of you that can't really think of anything to do, then the very least that you can do is do the warm-up and the cool down from any of the programs that we've got here. And I'm also gonna link in a taster for our YoMove program. YoMove is an integrated yoga and primal movement workout. Now you don't have to do this for very long. 5 to 10 minutes will do, but hopefully you're going to be going out and enjoying something completely different, something that you may never have done before, kayaking, whatever it is. Okay, so here we go. We're now going to go into our movement flow. There are 3 moves to choose from, or you can choose to combine all of them together. You'll practice each move for anywhere between 3 to 5 minutes, or you can practice the whole sequence as a 5-minute flow. Okay, so the movements are a bear crawl. Okay, so we're going to come to a 4-point box position. We don't have to travel too far. We're just going to go opposite arm, opposite leg, and back. Four paces is more than enough for this, so you don't need an awful lot of space to perform this. Okay, the second movement is actually a primal transitional movement. Okay, so it's a down dog kick back or kick through. So you're going to be in a down dog position. You're going to sweep the leg over and come to this low position. You can choose to transition the foot either in front or thread it underneath, and that's going to bring me right back to my downward dog position. Over I go, opposite side, thread it through. Over I go, opposite side, thread it through. Finally, we will look at a seated crab. This is a locomotive movement, so I'm here in this low position. My hips are down, but my butt is off the floor. And just like our bear crawl, we're going to go opposite arm, opposite leg. We only need to do 3 to 4 steps. Please bear in mind when you're doing this that we shouldn't be bounding like this, and also that we shouldn't be taking big steps like this, because you can see how many times I have to use my hands to step in to bridge that gap. So we're here, nice and tight, forwards and backwards. So you can perform either one of those movements for 5 minutes, or we can actually combine them together for a full mini flow. This is a mini flow foundation. Okay, primal movement, here we go. So we're going to start in my bear crawl. 1, 2, 3, 4. I transition through over to my crab, seated crab. 1, 2, 3, 4. Over I go. And just repeat that 5 minutes. So take your time, just enjoy it and have some fun. Okay, so that's it. I will see you tomorrow for program number 2.